The Move tool is the first from the topmost part of the toolbar. Its shortcut key is letter V. When you click on its icon below, the menu bar changes. It will show the Move tool settings. If you check on the auto select, whatever object you click from your canvas, it will automatically select it. Beside the auto select box is the group and layer box. To clearly explain about this, let's make two layers, one layer with a red color and the other one is with a blue color. I just used a brush on the two objects. At the lowest part of the layer palette you can find the folder icon. Select the two layers by clicking first either the layer 1 or 2, then hold the Ctrl key and click a different layer. After that, drag the two layers on the folder icon. If you click the small arrow beside the folder, it will reveal its contents. If you select group, all the contents of a certain folder will be selected. But if you click layer, only a specific layer will be selected. Next to the group layer dialog box is the show transform controls. If you marked it check, a box will appear around the selected object. It will serve as a guide when adjusting the object. The next icons are used on how you want the objects to be aligned. For example, if you want the red object to be at the center of the canvas, select on the layer where the red object is, then, select the background layer. Click the Align Horizontal Centers, after that, click the Align Vertical Centers. If you right-click on the Move tool icon, you will find the Artboard tool. With this tool, you can adjust the size of your canvas. Just click and hold the left key button. You can adjust its size by clicking and dragging its sides. At its sides, plus signs will appear. If you click on it, more canvases will be added. Meaning you can separate different design options with this tool. Below the Move tool is the Marquee tool. Its shortcut key is M. This is a kind of selection tool. All selection tools create an image which is some kind of moving dash lines. This is what you call marching ants. To make this disappear after using a selection tool, just press and hold the Ctrl key, then click on the letter D from your keyboard. It can be used to cut a portion of an object by using the backspace or delete key. Or you can use it to select a particular object by pairing it with the Move tool. There are 4 types of Marquee tool when you right-click on its icon. They are the rectangular, elliptical, single row and the single column. When you click on this tool, below the menu bar changes. Here there are 4 important icons. New selection, add to selection, subtract to selection and intersect with selection. If you click on the new selection, it will just create one kind of marquee. But if you click the Add to Selection, you can create more than one marquee. You can also merge marquees. If you click the Subtract from Selection, a part of the marquee you created will be subtracted. The Intersect with selection will make 2 marquees intersect with each other. Whatever marquees that is not part of the selection, will disappear. Remember, to remove the marching ants, click and hold the Control key, then click on the D key to deselect. The next important part is the feather dialog box. The more you increase its number, the more the edges of the marquee tool will become softer. I used the backspace key in erasing the part of the object. To undo an action, click and hold Ctrl key, then press Z from your keyboard. To redo an action, click and hold the Ctrl and Shift key, then press Z. The next tool is the Lasso tool. Its shortcut key is L. As what you can see, it has almost the same settings to the Marquee tool because this is also a kind of selection tool. To use this tool, it is like drawing on the canvas. You click and hold the left key button of your mouse. Again, if it's a selection tool, marching ants will appear. To remove it, just click and hold the Control key, then click on the D key. If you right-click on the Lasso tool icon, you will find the other types of lasso. They are the Polygon Lasso tool and Magnetic Lasso tool. The Polygon Lasso tool is used by just clicking multiple times on the canvas and not holding down the left key button. Make sure both ends of the created shape must meet. The next kind of lasso tool is the Magnetic Lasso tool. To use this is by clicking on the canvas once and not holding the left key button. You click on a specific edge of an object, then slowly move your mouse around it. This tool will somewhat like sticks automatically on the sides. What it is doing is, it selects the same kind of color tone from the first click you made on a particular spot. Again, make the ends meet. So in this tool you only click twice. The beginning and the end. To zoom in or out on an object, just click and hold the Control key and then click either the plus or subtract key. There is actually a zoom tool which is above the color picker. The shortcut key is Z. If you click on its icon, its options will appear below the menu bar. The two important icons in its settings is the magnifying glass with the plus sign and the one with the minus sign. You can position either of those two icons in a specific part of the canvas and zoom in or out. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.